Jarvis and Nettie and Joyce, or go deep into this critical discourse analysis. And what I present now can just give you a rough idea.
Okay, a rough idea. All right.
Yeah, I present from the following aspects. First, aim, principle, doing critical discourse analysis, criticism and suggestion of critical discourse analysis, and some questions for discussion. Okay, then let's come to what's the aim of CDA? To help reveal some of these hidden and often outside values, positions, and perspectives. We also say to explore the connection between the use of language and the social and political context in which it occurs. It explores issues such as gender, ethnicity, cultural difference, ideology, and identity, and how these are both constructed and reflected in texts. And according to Fairclough and Wardad, there are some principles for CDA. First, social and political issues are constructed and reflected in discourse. Power relations are negotiated and performed through discourse. Discourse both reflects and reproduces social relations, and the last one, ideologies are produced and reflected in the use of discourse. Then we come to doing critical discourse analysis. By Burgess, 2004, you can say CDA includes not only a description and interpretation of discourse in context, but also offers an explanation of why and how discourse works. And a critical analysis then might commence by deciding what discourse type or genre the text represents, and to what extent and in what way the text conforms to it or not. It may also consider to what extent the producers of the text has gone beyond the normal boundaries for the genre to create a particular effect. Now let's go on some I think they are important points. I don't know whether you know it or not. The analysis may consider the framing of the text, that is, how the context of the text is presented and the sort of angle or perspective the writer or speaker is taken. Okay, so actually, Joyce, you presented to you in detail. So the sentence level and word and phrase level. And also about the procedure and analysis follows in the candle analysis depends on the research situation, the research question, and the text that are being studied. Okay, so CDA takes us beyond the level of description to a deeper understanding of texts and provides, as far as might be possible, some kind of explanation of why a text is as it is and what it is aiming to do. Okay, we come to criticism and suggestion of CDA. So it is very similar to earlier stylistic analysis that took place in the area of literacy criticism. According to Wilson, a critical analysis should include discussions with the producers and the consumers of text, and not just rest on the analyst's view of what text might mean alone. So actually this is criticism and the suggestion together. According to Scaloff, I don't know whether it's
It's all right. It's
Yeah.
all right. Difficult name.
It's also the criticism.